Ants don't have Google Maps, but they still find snacks in your kitchen like it's GPS. Ants don't see well, but they're really good sniffers, like Olympic-level sniffers. They leave behind a scent trail called a pheromone, kind of like a glowing breadcrumb path. More ants will stronger smell, more ants follow. It's a hype train, made of smell. If the scent fades, the trail dies. No smell, no clue. But some ants just freestyle. No trail, no clue, just vibes. These are scouts. Their job? Find food first, then report back. Once the scouts mark the path, the colony follows. Ant rave time. Pheromone trails are like highways. Ants even have traffic. Wipe the trail and poof, it's gone. No scent, no followers. Once food's gone, some ants clean up the trail like janitors. Ants use smell, memory, and sometimes just chaos, like toddler GPS. Cut the scent mid-walk and boom, lost ant, no trail, no signal. Humans mess this up all the time. Soap, boom, ant blackout. So no, they don't think, but dang, they're organized. Yeah.